Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show how to make Christmas tree like this. So you just have to take the square sheet of paper. So it can be, you can make any bigger scale, small scale, anything. So this one is 60 centimeters. So you can take bigger size, A4 size, whatever. So but the most important thing is it has to be a square sheet. So take the paper, turn it over here. I'm turning because I need the green side outside. So, and this go inside. So I'm gonna fold into half diagonally. So I had to fold diagonally as well as horizontally, both into divide into half. Now the other diagonal. If you have a square sheet of paper right now, just grab it with you. If you have A4 size paper, just fold it on a diagonal like this and then cut the extra excess part, and you can make it along with me. So once you get this, you can even pause the video and go and grab your paper and come back. So you have to find a you have to find a diamond over here, and once you find it, you have to find these lines together and pinch it and collect all the flaps together like this. So it's nothing but a square or diamond. So you got this 4 flaps. So now I'm gonna divide these 4 flaps into 8. So you just have to align this line here, this over here. Okay, align and then fold the sides. Now take the other flap. Repeat the same process with the other flaps as well. I think this is the quickest model to make for your Christmas decoration. If you want to make Christmas tree for your school project, even this is the good idea to make the Christmas tree. So once you get it, so make sure you have 4 flaps over here and 4 flaps over here. So it's easy to cut basically. So you balance both sides together, and then you get this line and just cut along this along the line, and then you remove the excess part which we don't require. So once you got this, I'm gonna cut like this. 1 2 3. I'm just going to cut 3 on this side, on left side, and 3 on the other side. If you want, you can also cut extra slits so that you have more texture. So if you observe this one, so 1 2 3, just so what I'm going to do is just separate it out, and then from this point to this point, outer point, inside point to outer point, I'm going to fold, align this point to this point and fold. Okay, and then repeat the same everywhere, from this point to this point, from inside point to outside point. So if you are making along with me, good. Let's do it together. I can even challenge some of you. Let's do it fast. Let's see who does it faster first. If you do it before me, just comment me in the comment section. If you have any question about it, ask me in the comment section. After this video, also check out my other videos on my channel and let me know your feedback. Most importantly, you can subscribe to my channel because I'm going to bring more videos, not just paper art related. Even I'm exploring some more subjects to bring it on my channel, but it's mostly related design and art, and mostly 3D model making. But I just want to blend it with the design and what's coming up in the future, and I just want to explore, and whatever works, I'll keep it on my channel. So if you have any suggestions, let me know what kind of content would you like to see on my channel. You're very much welcome to share your suggestions. So I think I'm almost done. I don't know where you are, if you're making it along with me. I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm just recording it live and then going to post it. Okay, now just one remaining. Almost done, almost done. Okay, great. Now it is done. So this is the way you can make your Christmas tree for your Christmas decoration. Let me know how you like this video in the comment section below, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel for more paper craft related videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end.